Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to make this video real quick because I recently um, started using Ethernet on my computer instead of Wi-Fi. I purchased power line adapters so I don't have to run long Ethernet cords from downstairs to upstairs for the internet through wire, and I don't have to immediately purchase a better router, and it's working pretty well. So that leaves me with this spare Wi-Fi adapter. I figured I would try to experiment um, and see if I can basically combine two internet connections into one here. And I know there's other ways to do this using hardware. There's these things called load balancing routers, but this is purely for testing purposes, though I'm sure if you pay for this service that I found, you may be able to use it to your advantage. So basically, let's get to it. So first of all, let me show you my network setup here in network. So I have two connections here, and one is Ethernet and one is through a Wi-Fi adapter, though Mac OS doesn't pick it up as Wi-Fi, and it's treated as a USB Ethernet basically, and they're connected to two different internet streams basically. So right now the primary one my OS is using is my Ethernet. So let's do a test on my primary internet. Sorry for any lag here, my computer is old, but we'll just wait for this test to run. So I'm running about 25 megabits down and between 5 and 6 up, which is what I expected for this basically the plan that we're paying for from Comcast. So 25 down, 6 approximately up, and it's asymmetric cable. That's standard. So basically what I'm going to do now is use this software called Speedify. It's a spin-off of this software called Connectify that existed in the past, and which allows you basically through software to bridge. It's a software load balancer basically, and it can basically combine the two different internet streams, and it does so automatically, and we'll test our speed after the fact. So just give it a second to load here. There we go. So this is basically, you can use this service for free, but I think they only let you use about a gigabyte a month for free. They also provide VPN streams, but yeah, basically once you hit the Speedify button, it recognizes not my two connections. It has a chart, and I think the biggest thing with this is balancing, I guess, the latency between the two connections is what maybe how the load balancer works. But yeah, so it gives you a chart of the current usage. So now that it's the two connections are combined, let's see what I get for my speed test. Okay, let's test it. Now you can see it's pushing upwards of 35 megabits, and we can do multiple tests here. See, almost 36 megabits. And again, I will load system preferences up to show you my connections are the same. I still have the same IP address, and it's still Comcast as my provider for that, and then there you go. So my internet connection has not changed, but my upload speed went up to 7.53 from about between 5 and 6, and it went up from about 25 to 36. So let's do one more test here. Maybe we can get some decent numbers, because I've seen it go up to 40 and beyond. And if you can see the software, it measured a spike of 59.5 megabits. So it's doing its own sort of measurement, and so is this software here. And but yeah, you can see it plotting the internet speed, and as you can see, it's not the most consistent, but it's still pretty fast. It's faster on average than either of the two combined before. Yourselves, if you have two different internet connections that you can possibly test, then it definitely has some effect on the connection speed. Now, as far as latency and stuff is concerned, I'm not entirely sure, but you can see there's differences here, and I guess basically, ideally, they should both be low and close to the same value. But yeah, I mean that's about it for this video, guys. This is not like an advertisement for this software. This is just the most easy, quick solution I found to this problem to just test. I'll do some more testing, but I don't know how stable this is in day-to-day use. But if you pay for the service, you can get unlimited usage out of it. It's just costs money then. But yeah, give it a try, guys, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.